Hi, Namaste everyone. Welcome to my channel Pallavi's Paradise. Today we are saying Brinjal Sabji. If you are in hurry and wants to make quick and easy recipe, let's do it. This is a very spicy, very tasty and very nice recipe I am going to share with you. Let's see the sabji. Here I have chopped and washed brinjal. Now let's see masala: coriander, dry coconut, ginger garlic, cumin seeds, washed tamarind, chopped onion and roasted peanut. Here I have taken things I am going to add in a mixer jar. Let's add spices, grind it without water. Here I have grinded all the things like this. Let's heat the pan and put 2 tablespoons of oil. Here I have inserted in the pan mustard seed, cumin seed, curry leaves and chopped onion. Fry it properly like this. Now I am going to add the masalas which I had already grinded in the mixture jar. Here I am adding the mixture. Stir it well, guys. Now I am going to add at this stage brinjal, chopped brinjal. I am going to add it. Put brinjal in it. Washed brinjal I have inserted here. I am going to fry little. Now I am adding turmeric. Let's turmeric mix into this sabji like this. It should be mixed properly with the brinjal. Put the lid now and I am going to leave it for 2 minutes. Now after 2 minutes open the lid and let's see the brinjal is mixed properly with the masalas and all. Stir it well. And here you see the brinjal got some different color here, little brownish. Now at this step I am going to add salt. Salt you can add before also. And spice red chili powder I have added. Fried properly or still properly. Put water in it. However, how much water you want it, you can put in it. Stir it well. I added water, coriander and little jaggery in it. Jaggery will give more natural color to the sabji and jaggery can help with the digestive system also. Close the lid. Let the sabji cook properly. Here I am checking after 2-3 minutes. See the sabji. And at this step now I am going to switch off the flame. Let's see the sabji and the brinjal is ready. Quick and easy recipe. If you like my video, guys, subscribe, like and share. So thanks for giving time and watching my videos. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys.